Because when you observe today, Peter also prayed. When he prayed, if you ask, he prayed only God when he was sinking. Lord, save me. And we also, most of the times, pray only when there comes need in our lives. No. Because when there comes need, there is no love towards God. There is only need. So when Peter sinking in the water, he prayed not because of love towards Jesus, but because of his need. Another way, if we observe together Jesus, how he prayed mornings, early morning. Has he got any need in his life to pray? No. But he went to the mountain alone to pray. Why? Because he loved his Father with all of his heart